no credit check loans. I'm going to keep this video brief. Now recently I've been hearing that a lot of people don't have access to any type of financial resources, no access to any money in case of an emergency. There are so many different financial institutions, credit unions, fintech banks that will give you a loan with absolutely no hard credit check. So nowadays when anyone asks me to borrow money, the answer is absolutely not. I'll show you how to get money from the bank in this video. I'm going to show you how to get $5,000 even if you have extremely bad credit. This applies to everyone. I'm going to lay out the blueprint, give you the game plan on how you can constantly have access to $5,000 and you don't have to undergo a credit check. So it doesn't matter if you have very bad credit. Anyone and everyone can do this. But before we get started, welcome to Roladel Business. If this is your first time coming to this channel, go ahead and subscribe in order to get more interesting videos on no credit check loans in the future. So the first one we're going to go over is Andrews Federal Credit Union. So as you can see right here, you can go borrow between $250 and $500, and it says right here no credit checks. So even if you have a very bad credit, it doesn't matter, and I'm going to explain the process on how to set yourself up so that you can qualify for these different quick loans. Now, with Andrews Federal Credit Union, anyone can join. The official website is andrewsfcu.org, and there is no geographical restriction. This is available in all 50 states, and the American Consumer Council is a great $8 investment for you to be eligible to a lot of different credit unions. So, the ACC, American Consumer Council, is a non-profit organization. I believe it's $8 yearly membership, or you could pay $15 for a lifetime membership. This gets you into hundreds of different credit unions. Now, let's go to DCU. This DCU is another one where anyone can join, and as you can see right here, you are pre-approved for up to $2,000. Now, there is no credit check for this right now. You can locate the website by going to dcu.org. The thing with a lot of these quick loans, so even though there is no credit check, they do require what's called POI, proof of income. Now with proof of income, I'm going to show you how you can do that, how you could set up yourself so you could get to create your own pay stub legally, so that when you apply for these quick loans, you have the proof of income. So they're not going to pull your credit, but you do have proof of income, and that will allow you to get approved of this. So after you pay it off, you could borrow it again. You have constant access to these quick loans without hurting your credit. In addition, these quick loans will help you build credit. Now, the next one we are going to go over is Security Plus. They are available nationwide, so there is no geographical restrictions. You could go join through the American Consumer Council. As I just stated, there is no credit check required, and you can borrow up to $1,000. You can locate the website by going to securityplusfcu.org. Next up, we're going to be going over is Unity Financial. Now again, Unify Financial is open up to anyone nationwide. So with the quick loan, you could borrow up to $500, and there is no credit check. You can see one of the benefits, no credit checks, by going to unifyfcu.com. So they're not going to be pulling or even soft pulling your credit, but you can see right here the requirements, income verification. Now I'm going to walk you through at the end of the video how you can legally create your own pay stubs, so you have that income verification or proof of income to qualify for those no credit check loans. Next up, we have Genesis Federal Credit Union. So Genesis Credit Union is available to anyone nationwide. They are basically locally in Michigan, but anyone can join on the personal side. So as you can see, get $1,000 cash for 12 months with no credit check. You can visit the website by going to genesisscu.org. We have Q Money Loan, so no credit check on the Q Money Loan, and you can borrow up to $500. Go to qmoney.tm to open the website. So let's just add up this real quick. So we got $500 from Andrews, we got $2,000 from DCU, so that's $2,500, and another $1,000 from Security Plus, that's $3,500, another from $500 from Unify Financial, that's $4,000, another $1,000 from Genesis Federal Credit Union, that's $5,000, and then you throw in another $500 from Q Money Loan, and that's $5,500 that anyone could get access to nationwide. Now I'm going to throw in some additional words. These are going to be more geographically restricted, but I just wanted to throw these ones as well. We have Blue Eagle Credit Union. You can get up to $100 fast, quick, no credit check, so they are not pulling your credit. The website is blueeaglecreditunion.com. Last but not least, we have a Safe Federal Credit Union up to $2,000, no credit checks. So it says membership has its privileges. You can get this quick loan with no credit check now in order to set yourself up so that you can capitalize off these quick loans. You're going to need proof of income. You can locate the website by going to safefed.org. So you are going to need pay stubs. So what you can do is to get set up with a payroll provider, just like how you would have any other job that you work, and when the company pays you, they give you a paycheck. Now, if you have an LLC or a business, you can get set up with a payroll provider now. The biggest payroll provider in the United States is ADP. Some of you are probably familiar with this, or you have probably gotten paid from ADP from one of the places where you work. So what you want to do is to click the link in the description below, and down you need a business in order to get set up with ADP. Now, the cool thing about ADP is that they've partnered with Plastic, for lack of a better word, allows you to liquidate a credit card. So you can use a business credit card to pay yourself through ADP using the integration with Plastic. And then you can literally create your own pay stub, specify how much money you want to make now. And the thing about paying yourself through ADP using the Plastic integration, and you can also connect multiple bank accounts to your payroll account, so then you can have different disbursements. You can then use those pay stubs to then qualify, have that income verification when you're applying for these different quick loans, and they are not going to pull your credit. So there is no negative impact on your credit score. There is no inquiries, and then some of these quick loans we report to the credit reporting agency. So you're building credit now. Again, I just showed you the blueprint on how you can get access to a minimum of $5,000 for anyone throughout the country with no credit checks. So the next time a friend or family member may ask you to borrow money, just share this video with them, and just literally give them the blueprints on how they can get access to blue money, and then they don't have to lack any financial resources. Anyway, that's all for today's video.